Good morning students, God bless you. Welcome to Maths class 9th standard. Today we are going to see about using the factor theorem and remainder theorem. Okay. So exercise 3.3, first 5 sums already we have discussed. The sixth sum, if two polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 4x minus 12, this is one polynomial, and x cube plus x square minus 2x plus a, this is another one polynomial. Okay. Leave the same remainder. The two polynomial leaves the same remainder. Okay. When divided by x minus 3. If you divide x minus 3 to two polynomial, we get the same remainder. Have you understood? Then find the value of a and also find the remainder. There appear two questions: find the value of a and find the remainder. Okay, the solution. Let us consider the first polynomial is equal to p of x. Let this is our assumption: 2x cube plus ax square plus 4x minus 12. Okay, and the another polynomial, let us take q of x. This is x cube plus x square minus 2x plus a. Okay, these are given to polynomial. Then consider the divisor. So first step, find the zeros of the divisor. The x minus 3 is the divisor. So x minus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. So 3 is the zeros of divisor of given two polynomial. Okay. Then the p of 3. P of 3 is equal to, so here x or x replacing by 3. So 2 into 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 12. Okay, which is equal to 2 into 2 cube value is 27 plus a into 3 square is 9 plus 4 3s are 12 and minus 12. Okay, which is equal to 2 times of 27 is a 54 plus 9 into a is a 9a and plus 12 and minus 12 are cancelled. This is p of 3 value. Okay, this is number 1. Next, find the q of 3. Okay, because this is the common divisor of both the polynomial. Okay, then find the q of 3. This is the q of x polynomial. This is x cube. So x is a 3 cube plus 3 the whole square minus 2 into, so 3 plus a. This is equal to x. Find the value. 3 cube is 27 plus 3 square is 9 minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6 plus a, which is equal to, okay, first two values, sum of the two values is 36 and minus 6 plus a, which is equal to 36 minus 6, so 30 plus a. This is q of 3. This is number 2. Okay. From the question, the given condition, leave the same remainder. This is the given condition. Leave the same remainder. That is p of 3 equal to q of 3. So both the values are equal. Okay. The p of 3 is 54 plus 9a. Is equal to q of 3 is equal to 30 plus a. Okay. This a transfer left side we get minus a. Also the 54 transfer right side we get minus 54. So 9a minus a equal to 30 minus 54. Okay. Okay. Simplify the value. 9a minus a is 8a, which is equal to 30 minus 54. The different sign making the subtraction. So subtract greater number to smaller number. 54 minus 30 is what? So 24. and also greater value sign is minus. So put the greater value sign minus. Then a is equal to minus 24 divided by 8. So a is equal to 1 8s are 8 and this is 3 8s are 24. So minus 3 is the a value. Question is find the value of a. Therefore the value of a is minus 3. Okay. Then and also find the remainder. Okay. To find the remainder. This a value substitute 1 or 2, we get the remainder, exact remainder. Therefore the remainder here I am substitute the first value. So 54 plus 9 into a value is minus 3. Okay. Here from 1. You choose from 2, also x is the same result. Okay. So 54 plus into minus 9 3s are 27, which is equal to 54 minus 27 is 27. The remainder is 27 and the value of a is minus 3. Okay, I understood the explanation. Okay, next some other question. Determine that x minus 1 is a factor of the following polynomials. Is that given to polynomials? How to determine the x minus 1 is the factor of polynomial? Okay. So, suppose x minus 1 is exactly divides this polynomial. The polynomial is a factor of given polynomial. That means the remainder x is 0. Okay, this is the determined method. So solution, let us take it p of x equal to the given polynomial execute. This is the solution of first question. Plus 5x square minus 10x plus 4. Okay. So here the divisor is x minus 1. That means x minus 1 is a factor. So x minus 1 equal to 0. Find the zeros of the polynomial. So x is equal to 1. Okay. So put here p of 1 equal to 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square 10 into 1 plus 4. Okay. So is equal to 1 cube is 1 plus 5 into 1 square is 1 minus into plus minus 1 tens are 10 plus 4. Okay. Then 1 fifths are 5, then minus 10 plus 4. Now consider the positive values plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 totally plus 10. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 4 10, then minus 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So p of 1 equal to 0, that is the x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Therefore x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. We already defined the given polynomial is p of x. So x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. That's all the answer. Okay. In this manner, we do the second sum. This is your homework. Okay, this one next 9th question. The 8th question also your homework. The same manner of the 7th question. Okay. So one divisor is given and also one polynomial is given in the 8th question. So first find the zeros of polynomial. Then substitute the value of x in p of x. We get the remainder is 0 means the given divisor is a factor of polynomial. Okay. The same manner of 7th question. So 8th question is your homework. Then 9th question. Determine the value of m if x plus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 3x square minus mx plus 24. The solution. Now determine the value of m. Want to find the m value. The condition is if x plus 3 is a factor of this. This is a factor. Okay. So let the given polynomial p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus mx plus 24. Okay. Then this is the factor of given polynomial. So find the zeros of polynomial. X plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3. Okay. The p of minus 3. Now replacing x is equal to minus 3. So p of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 the whole cube. 3 into minus 3 the whole square minus m into minus 3 plus 24. Okay. That is P of 3 is equal to 0 because x plus 3 is a factor of the polynomial. So factor means the remainder is 0. Okay, which is equal to minus power add number is minus 3 cube is 27 and minus 3 into minus power even number is plus and 3 square 9 minus into minus plus 3 into m 3m plus 24. Okay, then 0 and minus 27. This is 3 nines are 27. Minus into plus minus 3 nines are 27 plus 3m plus 24. Okay. Then the 0 is equal to minus 27 and minus 27. Totally minus 54 plus 3m plus 24. Okay. The value is equal to 0 left hand side and consider the numerical values minus 54 plus 24. So subtract both the number and also after subtracting you get the greater value sign. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. The greater value sign is minus plus 3m. Okay. Taking the transformation is 30 left side. You get plus 30 is equal to 3m. So m only need. So 30 divided by 3. Okay. The product value making the transformation you get the divisor of left hand side. So 1 3s are 3 and this is 10 3s are 30. So m is equal to implies m is equal to 10. Okay. The question is determine the value of m. So we determine the value. Therefore, the value of m is 10. That's all your answer. Have you understood? Okay, next 10th question. If both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factor of the polynomial, okay, then show that a is equal to b. This is your question. The solution. Now the two factors are given. Okay, and also the two factors are exactly divides the polynomial. Okay, so 1 by 1 is solved. First consider the polynomial that the p of x is equal to ax square plus 5x plus b. Okay. First consider the one factor. The factor is 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. That is p of 2 equal to 0. Okay. When x is equal to 2, the given polynomial is 0. That means the remainder is 0. Okay. The p of 2. Here apply a into x replacing now 2, 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus b equal to 0. So a into 2 square is 4 plus 5 2s are 10 plus b equal to 0. Then a into 4, so 4a plus b plus 10 equal to 0. This is number 1. Then consider the next factor. This is x minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 0. Okay. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Now p of 1 by 2 is equal to 0 because this is exactly divides the polynomial already given. If x minus 1 by 2 is a factor of polynomial. Okay, the remainder is 0. So now x replacing 1 by 2. Okay. A into 1 by 2 the whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 okay, plus b equal to 0. Okay. A into 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4 plus 1 by 5 divided by 2. Okay. Plus b equal to 0. And a into 1 a by 4 plus b plus 5 by 2 equal to 0. This is number 2. Both the factor of the polynomial. Okay. Therefore, both the factor x is the same remainder. So, equating the remainder. These two are remainder. Equating the remainder. First 4a plus b plus 10. equal to a by 4 plus b plus 5 by 2. Okay, this is for it. Okay. Then 4a plus b plus 10 minus a by 4 minus b minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. These all RHS values are transfer the LHS side. So we get the opposite side. Okay. Then comparing the like terms, 4a, this is minus a by 4. So using the cross multiplication, 4 4s are 16, a minus a divided by 4. Okay, then b plus b and minus b are cancelled. Remaining plus 10 and minus 1 by 2. Using the cross multiplication, 2 10s are 20 minus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 0. Okay. 16a minus a is a 15a divided by 4 plus 20 minus 5 is a 15 by 2 equal to 0. So compare the both the denominator, these two are different. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So here already 4. So 15a plus here 2 multiplying by 2 we get 4. So numerator as well as multiplying by 2. So 15 2s are 30 whole divided by 4. Find out the LCM, which is equal to 0. Okay. Then 15a plus 30 equal to, using the cross multiplication, 4 into 0 is 0. Okay. Then 15a equal to, making the transformation we get minus 30. Then a is equal to minus 30 divided by 15 and a is equal to minus 2. Because 1 15s are 15, 2 15s are 30. Okay. A is equal to minus 2. Put a is equal to minus 2 in 1. The first equation. So 1 implies 4 into a minus 2 plus b is not be given plus 10. Okay. Which is equal to 0. This is the first equation. So plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8 plus b plus 10 equal to 0. Okay. So b minus 8 plus 10 we get plus 2 equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 2. Okay. So compare a and b, both are equal. A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 2. Therefore a equal to b equal to minus 2, that is a equal to b. Hence proved. Okay, this is your result. Hence proved. Have you understood? Okay, the 12th question, check if x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of rectangle whose area is x square minus 2x minus 8 by using the factor theorem. The 11th sum is your homework. Okay, the 11th sum has the condition of without remainder, therefore the remainder is equal to 0. First we assume that find the value of k. Okay. The solution of 12th question. Okay, from the question, the two factors are exactly divides the polynomial. Let p of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, first consider the first factor, the x plus 2 equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so put here p of minus 2 equal to minus 2 the whole square, 2 into minus 2 and minus 8. This is equal to minus power even number plus 2 power 2 is 4. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 is minus 8. Is equal to plus 4 and plus 4 is plus 8 and minus 8 equal to 0. The p of minus 2 is 0. Okay. Therefore, x plus 2 is the side of rectangle. Then consider the another factor, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4. So now the p of 4 equal to 4 square minus 2 into 4 minus 8. So is equal to 4 square. This is 16. 4 fours are 16. Minus into plus minus. 2 fours are 8 and minus 8. So is equal to 16 minus 8 and minus 8, totally minus 16 equal to 0. The P of 4 equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, x minus 4 is a side of rectangle. So consider this is 1, this is 2. Okay. From 1 and 2, we get x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of rectangle. Okay, that's all the answer. Okay, and to check the two values are is the size of rectangle or not. So exactly divides the area. So the given two values are the size of rectangle. Okay, have you understood? Okay, dear students, today's homework, book page numbers 96 and 97, exercise 3.3, question number 7, second subdivision, and 8 and 9th question. Okay, do it well. Thank you. God bless you.